Yeah. Hi, my name is Atul Sikand. I'm 56 years old. I'm retired. I was a building contractor and have always had this great love affair with food. My association with Nepal has been for the last 25 years. Someone I'm very close to is from there, and that has led to a lot of genuine home cooked Nepalese food. And my staff at home is also from Nepal, and I guess that's how I got into this. Okay, now we're going to make a tomato chutney. It's a Nepali preparation. It's called cold bhenta ko achar. And essentially, we're dry roasting some red chilies. Want to get them smoky and black. That's good how they are right now. I then remove them from the heat, let them cool, and I roast my tomatoes. So 10 minutes later, we have these tomatoes. The skin is here. I do it on a tawa and not on the flame because I want all the juices to be retained on the tawa and not be lost to the fire. So in 10 minutes they become like this, right? While the tawa is hot, just put these 4 cloves of garlic, put back the red chilies, and now once it cools down, I'll hand grind it on the silbatta. The chilies and the garlic will be ground very finely. The tomatoes will just be mashed. I don't want it very pulpy. I want it something with a bite. After that, we'll again give a chonk, which we just see. Okay, so now we're going to use the silbatta and we are going to grind this to a paste. We're starting with the dried chilies and the garlic. We don't need it powdery and fine. We just need it nicely pounded so that the flavors are released. I have placed this jar under the silbatta because while I am pisoing it, then my silbatta will not grind, will not move, sorry. The chilies are quite nicely ground. I'm just putting a dash of water to it to get it into a better paste. And into this, I add maybe a 1/5 of a teaspoon of timur powder. I'm only using 4 tomatoes, so that is why I've used less timur. Blend it in. Take the tomatoes. Essentially retaining all the juices and not letting it become a pasty mix. You want it something with a body. The chalk on the tomato achar, some mustard oil. While the mustard oil was heating, I have made slits in the chilies. Meanwhile, I'm just beating it up lightly. I want it lumpy. I want these pieces there. I don't want a paste. I then add some salt. Salt is something you can adjust later, so nice to go slow on it. My oil is smoking now. I turn off the fire. I'm putting these chilies. Beautiful white membrane on them.